Indumar's Load Transfer Filler, or LTF5, is a two-part epoxy employed as a rigid void filler at defects and leak sites. Parts A and B of the epoxy are supplied in separate pouches with the required mixing tools. As a reminder, safety glasses and protective gloves and clothing should always be worn when working with epoxies, and the surface should be prepared in advance. The application of LTF5 only involves mixing the two parts and pressing into the void or leak site. However, it is important to recognize that the mixing process starts the chemical reaction leading to solidification, and timing is important. LTF5 has a working time of approximately 5 minutes. To mix the two-part epoxy, begin by emptying the entire contents of the two pouches onto the supplied mixing board in adjacent areas. This is best accomplished by cutting off one end of the pouch and carefully pushing the resin out of the pouch with the spatula provided. Next, use the spatula to fold the two parts together until no color variations or streaks remain. Spreading the mixture out onto the board before scraping it back into the middle is helpful in evaluating the extent of mixing. Complete mixing must be accomplished to achieve maximum adhesion and strength. Throughout the mixing process, a natural increase in viscosity and temperature will occur. When fully mixed, transfer the epoxy to the repair surface, pressing into voids and spreading evenly over the surface with the spatula. It is helpful to first apply a thin coat to achieve complete coverage, followed immediately by additional material to build thickness. Please note that LTF5 is not intended to be used as a standalone filler or sealer. Instead, the performance of the epoxy is greatly enhanced when backed with a composite wrap or mechanical clamp.